Hi everyone, welcome to Cybroses. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the update of Odoo 19, that is a warehouse in traceability report. So let's move on to the sales module, and from here we can consider a product. So I'm going to consider the product from here as a cable management box. And here you can see that we have 15 quantity of cable management box. As we just want to find the traceability report, we just need to manage the inventory based on loads or serial number. So once it's done, you can just manage the item over here. Okay. So as you just move on to the on hand quantity, you can find where the product has been stored. Okay. So let's move on to here. In this case, you can see that it will be stored under WH stock. Yeah, here we have the option to update the quantity. So as you just click on update quantity, here you can find the location. So once it's done, what we have to do is we can just move on to the orders, and we just need to create a new order over here, and let's choose the customer, and let me add the item, which is cable management box, and you can set the quantity, and let's click on confirm the quotation so that it will be turning as a sale order. Now we just need to deliver the item to the customer, and here you can see that the item is available, and we can just proceed with the delivery of the item. So as we just deliver the item, we will be getting the traceability report over here. So as of Odoo 19, we can find the warehouse shortcode that will be displayed under the traceability report. So in previous versions of Odoo, we know that the frame location will be set as stock, but right now you can see the exact location from which we are getting the item. So here you can see the shortcode is displayed over here, and it's very easy to find the warehouse shortcode in the traceability report. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.